Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to discuss about the BCD to Access 3 implementation using Mux project. So here you can see the Proteus circuit of BCD to 3 access implementation by using Mux, because here we are using Mux. So the basic aim and purpose of our project is that if we are applying one input here, then we will have 4 on output, because we have to implement BCD to access 3. So if we are applying here 2 input, then we will have here 5. If we are applying here let's pause 6 input, then we will have 9 here on output. So for this purpose, first of all, we are having 3 bits A, B and C on each mux. So C is the most significant bit, B is the medium significant bit and A is the least significant bit. And first of all, we connected the C bit to A's logic and B bit to B logic and A bit to C logic, the least significant bit. So here we use NOT gate, because at some input we are using NOT of D. So first of all, I am going to show you the truth table of this. So it means if we have 0 0 0 0 on input, then we will have 0 0 1 1 means 3 on output. So that's why we are here draw pairing of 2 2. So first of all, we are going to discuss the W mux. So here we will make pairs of 2. Let's suppose for 0 0 on output, we connected the permanent low input to that input. For 0 0 output, then we will again connect permanent low to input. For 0 and 1 output, because we have 0 and 1 input on D, so that's why we connected the D directly to that mux input. And as it is, if we are requiring 1 1, then we will connect directly permanent high input to that mux. And if we are requiring 0 1, then we will connect NOT of D to that mux. So as it is in X and Y, so if we are talking about fourth logic probe, which is that, so here we use NOT of D directly to that, because in every case if we are having one input on here, then we will have 4 input out here. If we are having 3 input here, we will have 5, we will have 6 output here. If we will have 6 input here, we will have 9 output here. In each case, if we are having 1 on D input, then we will have 0 on last logic probe. If we have 0 on D, then we will have, sorry, we are running. So when we have 0 on D, then we will have 1 on last. So instead of using Mux, we directly connected this logic probe to this logic. So instead of using Mux, we connected directly this logic straight to this logic probe. So as it is in X, just like W, we connected 3 bits to A, B, C, most significant bit C to A, B to B and A to C. And as it is in Y, we connected the 3 bits just like most significant to A, B to B and the least significant A, which is to C. So if we are talking about the Y mux, then it is shown from the truth table that if we want 1 0 on output, then we will have to use the complement of D, because here input, here the D having input is 0 and 1. So for Y 1 and 0 we have to complement D, which is connected to Y mux, and so on. For 0 1 we will have to connect directly D to Y mux, and then for 1 and 0 we will have to connect D complement to Y, and then for 0 1 we have to connect directly D to Y, and then for 1 and 0 we will have to connect D complement to Y. So as shown there, the fourth, second and 15 is directly connected to D, and the other two remaining directly connected to not of D. And as it is in X, the 4 15 is directly connected to D, and 3 and 2 also directly connected to not of D, and the fourth is directly connected to 3 is directly connected to permanent high, 1 is directly connected to permanent low, which is 0, and 4 and 15 is directly connected to D, and the remaining 2 is directly connected to not of D. So that's all my circuit. So we are going to run this circuit now. So if we want 5 here, we will have to apply 2 here. So if we are applying 2 here, such as 1 0 means 2, then we will have 1 0 1 on output, which is 5, and we will have 3 here, then we will have 6 on output. If we have 1 1 0 here, means 6 here, then we will have 9 on output. So that's all the basic circuit for BCD to 3XS implementation using these 3 MUXs. So with the help of these basic MUXs, we are implementing access 3 from BCD. So that's all from my side. Jazakallah.